Hello everyone, today we're going to look at B cells and what they do. Let's go!
B cells, antibody factories. It's the white blood cell which produces antibodies. They can produce 2000 antibodies per second for 4 to 5 days. It not only comes from the bone marrow but also matures in the bone marrow too. Most white blood cells come from the bone marrow, but as far as I know, none of the white blood cells mature in the bone marrow too. They are also known as B lymphocytes. The B doesn't refer to bone marrow, but it refers to bursa fabricis, which are organs in birds where they were first discovered. When it matures, it learns how to identify and bind to a particular antigen, as well as how to identify and not attack your own body cells. How does a B cell get activated? The B cell recognizes its particular antigen and binds to it. This activates the B cell. After it's activated, it multiplies into many B cells, some of which multiplied cells are plasma or effector cells, while others are memory B cells, which remember how to fight a certain type of pathogen it has encountered before. All B cells found during this multiplication have the same antibodies of the original B cell. They are professional antigen presenting cells. We will learn what this means in the upcoming videos. Plasma or effector B cells. These are antibody factories which have extra amounts of rough endoplasmic reticulum which produce the same antibodies for the particular antigen for a long time. Memory B cells. These are the B cells which remember how to fight a type of pathogen it has encountered before, which is why vaccines work. By injecting dead or inactive virus inside you, your body learns to fight it and remembers how to fight it as it develops antibodies against that antigen. Should that antigen come again, your memory cells remember that antigen and the body learns how to fight it faster as well as stronger. B cells, the humoral immunity giver. The animation part. This is a B cell, and this is a strategy of antibodies called agglutination, where the antibodies glue different viruses together to stop them from moving. And this is another type of strategy called neutralization, where antibodies cover the surface of the antigens to stop them from infecting cells. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Don't forget to thank your antibodies and your B cells. Bye!